Okay, we're gonna bite this in. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. Now, if you all about fun, food, and family, you popped up at the right place. So, make sure you subscribe, hit that post notification bell, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, let me know you're here, and also share this video out. Share it to your friends and families, neighbors and co-workers, okay? Now, let's get into the title. Yes, this is a cooking tutorial, and I'm hungry. When I get to these videos, I'll be hungry, and we getting ready to make an Italian pepper dog. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. Let's see the ingredients. Simple.
Alien approved, galaxy produced.
You guys, as you can see, that is the ingredients. Very simple for a good old Italian sausage dog. We have Italian sausage, hot. We have the buns. We have the red peppers, the green peppers, the onions, the green onions, the tomatoes, the jalapenos, and mustard. Yes, baby. So let's get to cooking. Who want one? Put your order in now. Okay, we're gonna get started. Turn on the griddle, add some butter. We're gonna add the Italian, Italian sausages. A little oil. We're going to add the red peppers, green peppers, and onions. Add a little Cajun seasoning. That's it. Add the green onion. We're gonna warm the buns up. We're gonna warm the buns up, I would say 2 minutes on both sides. Then the Italian links will be ready to come off and we're getting ready to plate and taste. Yes! Yeah. Yes. Okay. Look, take a good look. Take a good look. Look at that. Don't that look good? Baby, we getting ready to build. We have the peppers, green and red. We have onions. We have green onions. We have jalapenos. We have pickles. We have tomatoes. And we have the star of the show, the Italian sausages. Here goes our buns. We kind of toasted. And now let's get to building it, right? Let's get to building it. So we're going to put a link in one. Ooh. Yeah, my mouth is watering. One and the other. Come on now. Bun, you got to work with me. Okay. Next we're gonna add, we're gonna add the peppers and onions. Ooh. The peppers and onions. We're gonna add some jalapenos. Got to have a jalapeno. I should call it spice. I should call it spicy. Spicy. We're gonna add some pickles. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna bite this. I don't know how I'm gonna bite it. And the tomato. Okay, let's get some sauces ready, and let's get some fries. We're gonna have some fries with this Italian. Look at it, y'all. Oh, my mouth is watering. Let's get ready to taste it. Woo. There we go. Look at that. Get in there. Ooh. We have sweet potato fries. We have a loaded Italian sausage dog. And we have a little dipping sauce. We have a little sweet sauce and a little tangy sauce. If you can guess those sauces, put it in the comment and let me know. But yes, who is ready to eat? Who is ready? Look at it. Oh, that looks so good. Let's eat. Let's try it. Put your order in for your plate. Put your order in for the plate. There you go. Oh my, y'all. Ooh, I'm hungry, y'all. Grab you one. Italian pepper sausage dog. Yes, baby, look at it. Look at him. Don't it look good from every angle? Let's try it. Yeah, this gonna be messy. I know it is. All this stuff piled up on it. I have some mustard. Just some mustard. And I have some, this is funny, I have some raisin cane sauce. I love sweet potato fries. Okay, y'all. Oh, okay, we're gonna bite this in. Ooh. Mm. Mmm. 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 I need a napkin. Let's dip it into the raisin cane sauce. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, this is so good. Mmm. 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 Y'all, I'm too scared to get the tomato. I think it's gonna be a big mess. Let's try it in the mustard. Which one y'all think will taste better? The raisin cane was good because it's a lot of savory, the Italian, spicy Italian link, the peppers, the onions, the jalapeno, the pickles. So let's see. Mm. 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 For some reason, that mustard tastes good. Mm. 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 I like that mustard in it, on it. Mmm. Yeah, this is a game changer. Cook at home, game changer. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.